my name is Lily.
Wow. She is so beautiful.
Somebody help me.
How dare you?
Are you okay? I have surprise for you. I am going to Paris for job.
After 5 years.
I miss you, Lily.
Are you Tom?
Yes, I am Tom. I am back from Paris. Is this your son?
No. One day, I found him on the road in a box. That's why I brought him with me.
Oh no, I thought he is your son. I am so sorry. Please forgive me.
Have you eaten or filled? This is a greeting. Just a few simple words conveying care. Daily meals were once a wish of the past. Today, is there still someone concerned if you're well fed? Hard times are gone, but let's remember every grain of rice earned through hard work. With clothes and food, one should be content. The simple happiness, the truest blessing. Eat well, live earnestly. No matter how time changes, remember the ancient saying, every grain is hard earned. With clothes and food, one should be content. Warm greetings pass around the dining table, the unchanged care in people's hearts. Past hardships, today's prosperity. We should be grateful for every grain of rice in our hands. You ask if I've eaten my fill, I smile and